Welcome back to another BUC-EE'S construction update. Today is Sunday, January the 12th, 2025.
Not a whole lot's changed since last Saturday when we were down here. The area got hit with 2 winter storms since the last time we did a video, so there's quite a bit of snow out there. It makes it kind of hard to see what's been going on, and I don't know if the weather impacted them to where they couldn't do some work. But they're not working out there today, so we're able to fly the drone out onto the site or over the site. And one thing that we can see over the site where the building is going to be, there's a lot of holes that have been dug, probably to put some plumbing and things that they're going to need, ground preparation before the building goes up. The fuel tanks, it's covered with snow right now, and I still see a pile of gravel that's also snow covered, so I don't know how much progress they've made there. We did get some close-up shots with the drone to kind of show you what it looks like today. And how about those power poles, Sonia?
Still not moved. I'm pretty sure that's going to have to be moved before the building can be actually worked on.
I'm sure they're working on it, and sooner or later, one of these updates, we're gonna tell you that the power poles
have been moved,
but not today.
Not today.
So just a short update video, just to kind of keep you updated as to what's going on down here at the First Buc-ee's in Ohio location in Huber Heights. So I think that's going to do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe so you can keep up with all these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Goodbye.
Bye.